Hello everyone, myself Prerna Saxena presenting before you how Payji helps education industries for paying online fees through various modes. Now what is Payji? Payji is an integrated payment solution provider that enable your business to accept customer payment. Payji has many features like payment gateway, virtual and mobile POS, secure vault, innovative API, recurring billing and enhanced risk monitoring. Payji offers all type of businesses like education centers, supermarket, shopping malls, hotels, restaurants, airlines, finance, e-tailing, NBFCs and many more. Now we are focusing on education center. First I am going to present a brief introduction about what education industries are facing problem for the fees payment. Pagey deals with the schools, colleges, home private tutors, childcare centers, and e-learning. As we all know, dealing with cash just take up so much time because parents don't have so much time to stand on the queue and pay the fee. So the colleges or education centers don't want to trouble them by standing in a queue. Educational centers or colleges should empower the online payment. For this, we have a payment solution provider called Payji. Payji provides you convenient mode of payment like credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI or QR codes. We are also available for multiple branches. We are also available to take different payments like tuition fee, exam fee, sports fee, and many more. This helps you to maintain the uniform fee structures across classes or semesters or years and also for the enrollment of new students. What you need to do, you just need to create a new account and fill the entire details. Then you can continue to our dashboard page. Now you need to provide your email ID. Now we continue to our dashboard page. This is our dashboard page. We can see home, dashboard, menu section, report and settings section. Under dashboard section, you can see the transaction summary reports of this week, last week, today, yesterday, this month, last month, and you can also set the date range accordingly. Now moving towards the menu section. Under menu, we have two columns, new and manage. Under new, you can create the new transaction. Under manage, you can see your previous transaction. Payji has features like recurring payment, generate invoice, token X, pay button, prepaid card, easy collect and collecting order. Under pay button, we have four sub buttons, the buy now button, the pay now button, the donation button and the add to cart. Now, easy collect and collecting order are the key features for our education industries. Now, moving towards the easy collect. Now, what is easy collect? Easy collect is a payment link solution which helps to gather online payment. It enables you to create payments and share with the students or parent to pay the fee, from wherein you are provided with a dashboard. From this dashboard, you can create as many links you want and share with them to pay through this link. Now, I'm going to tell you how Easy Collect work for education industries. We are going to select subtype college. Location, you need to enter the location. Your college name, address, you need to enter the address of your college, the district name, state name, zip code, contact number, and the email address with the website address. You need to enter the zip code, contact number, a valid email address, and the website address. Now you can submit this data. This is the process for Easy Collect. Now you can see the data of your college here. Now we are going to add student data. For adding student data, you need to add the account settings. For the request label 1, you need to enter the student name. For the request label 2, you need to enter the enrollment number. For request response 1, you can add form number. Request response 2, you can add date of training, and from here you can add this data. Now we are going to add student data under this. The enrollment number of the student, the form number of the student, date of joining of the student, pending amount of the student, pending amount detail like whether it is form fee, admission fee or exam fee, a valid email address, mobile number, and you can add this data. This is the process for adding student data. Now you can see the student data here. The status is showing not paid. Now you can also add this data if you want. From here, you can update this, like if you want to update the email ID, you can update from here. If you want to edit the telephone number, mobile number, if you want to edit the amount, if you want to edit the email ID, you can update it from here. Yeah. And here you can see the status not paid. Now we are going to see the details. These are all the details of student. You can also scan the QR code and view the details, and from there you can pay the fee. You can share this link with the parent or student to pay the fee. You just need to copy the link and share it with the parent. This will redirect to the student details. These are the student details. Now you can proceed towards the payment page. From there you can do the transaction, whether from UPI, whether through UPI, credit card, debit card or net banking. Now this is our payment page. As I told you, you can pay through your UPI, credit card, debit card, wallets or prepaid card. Now for now I am selecting credit card. You need to enter your credit card details, expiry date with CVV number. And from this you can see our transaction has been approved. This is the process for Easy Collect data. So the transaction has been approved. You can share this via SMS, email or WhatsApp, or you can simply take the printout of this. Now now you can check the status here. It has showing paid. Now moving towards the collecting orders. Collecting order. It helps you quickly and conveniently find and pay from your mobile phone. Paygy has two modes of collecting order, standard and advanced. What you need to do, you just need to share the link via SMS or email and fill the entire details, which will redirect you to the payment page, and then you can pay the fee. Now I am showing you the standard one. You need to enter your college code. It should be of 10 digit. You need to enter the question one, like you can enter the student name, form number for question 2, question 3 you can add number, the code should not be repeated, add now you can submit this. You can't add the repeated code twice. So these are the details. Now I'm going to show you the transaction for the advanced one. You can also edit this if you want to. These are the student details. Now you need to copy the link, paste it here. You need to enter the student details, amount, email ID, a valid email ID, and number. Now you can proceed towards the payment page. This is the process for standard collecting order. You will again redirect it to the payment page. You can pay through the credit card, and now proceeding towards the transaction. It has been approved. You can share this via SMS, email or WhatsApp, or you can simply take the printout of this. Now we are going to check the transaction history for this. For this you need to refresh it and you can check the transaction history below. These are the student transaction history. For this amount, you can also see the QR code here. You can also scan this QR code and pay the fee. We all know QR code payment is technologically the foremost advanced sort of contactless payment. Paygy provides the feature of QR code to education industry, which have installed scanners. At the point of sale, you need to enter the payable amount, the parents or student then open the QR code scanning. From there, they can extract the student information through QR code and the deducted fees cut from the parent wallet. This is the procedure for QR code. This is how QR code works. Now you can see this QR code in Easy Collect and both for the collecting orders for standard and the advanced one. Now moving towards the advanced one, you need to enter the code which should not be same as the previous code. You need to enter the question 1, which is student name. Question 2 should be your enrollment number. Question 3, like date and time. You can enter these details according to your requirement. Service type, we can add fee. Service name, exam fee. You have to make this active and add service. Here you can see exam fee. We can add many services as we want. Like if you want to enter the form fee for rupees 200, you can make it active, add service. If you want to enter the semester fee for your college, like 15,000, you have to make it active and add service. Now these are all the services name. Now you can submit this data. This is for the advanced one. Now I'm going to show you the transaction. Here also you can see the QR code. I already told you about the QR code, how it works. Now you need to copy this link, share it with the parent. There they are going to enter the student details, a valid email ID, mobile number, and you can select your service like exam fee, form fee or semester fee. Like if we are going for the exam fee, it will automatically come rupees 500. If you are selecting form fee, it will come 200. If you are selecting for semester fee, it will come 15,000. For now, I am selecting exam fee. Redirected to the payment page. The same procedure like Easy Collect. You need to enter your card details. From there, you can pay the fee. This is the process for advance collecting order. The transaction has been approved and you can share the transaction detail through SMS or mail, or you can WhatsApp it also, or you can simply take out the printout of this. As I told you, all the details. So the transaction has been approved. Now we can check the transaction history by refreshing it. Here you can check the transaction history of this student. Now this is all about the collecting order. Now moving towards the donation. Now if any educational center or college is organizing any cultural event or cultural fest, they allow donation for that. For that fest, so they can help those needy peoples or for the charity purpose. Anyone can easily request donation online or from your phone. Payji helps you make this donation simpler. Donor just click the link in your email and from there they can pay the donation. You need to select the button type donation, button name. You are doing it for the charity purpose. Button label, you can name it as donate. You are donating for the old age persons. Amount, you are allowing maximum amount 1,000. If you check this box, it shows minimum allowed amount if you are allowing 100 rupees. If you uncheck this, it will not show. If you check this, it will show minimum amount and the maximum amount. Now you can submit this. Now this is our donation button details. You can edit this further if you want. Now you need to copy this link to create the donation button. Save it as HTML. Here you can see the donation button. From here you can donate. Here now you need to enter the details. File number, address, city, state and the zip code. You can donate. No, 1 second. Donation minimum amount. I have done this wrong. So you need to enter all your details correctly and check it twice. Zip code. Now you do that, redirect it to the payment page. You need to enter your CVV details. Now in this way you can donate, and now you can check the donation history for this. Under this button we are going to check the transaction history. You need to refresh this. And this is the transaction history for our donation button. Okay. So now moving to our dashboard page. So as I told you that key features of Payji are easy collect and collecting orders. These are basically the key features of Payji. Now at the end I'm going to tell you, so whatever you are looking for in a payment processing partner, you will find the answer in Payji. Payji is a payment solution provider which helps you to make your payment quickly and safely. Thank you so much.